Please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hi, so you got me without my makeup on, and I'm just going to show you how to light a barbecue. And I know there's a lot of people ask me about that all the time. So you can see I've got this enormous Weber ranch kettle. And this is very rusty now, but still works. It is a funnel. It's called a charcoal funnel or charcoal lighter. And this is a Weber brand, but if you can get any one you want. I have never had a problem with it being rusty, so that doesn't matter. I've got a little fire starter thing here, so I'm just going to put that down. And you're going to need just a little newspaper. You don't have to, but I think it does work a little bit better, so I'm just going to wrap that up in there. So you need to leave about 20 minutes once you've lit it for it to get to the right temperature. These kind of coals, I find that it gives you a longer burning temperature and it's easier to maintain. And if I was going to do something like the turkey breast or a cake or something that takes a long time to make, then I will fill this up to the top, and I might even do a second one, get it ready if I need it later. But at the moment I've done the last couple videos where I've done longer ones. Filling it up to the top is enough. So I'm going to split them afterwards between these two boats. Let me just get one out and show you what it looks like. Just get this up. So basically, so this is the charcoal holder. This is a normal sized one. Normally, if you were doing it for this size, you would need a bigger one, but honestly, it works just as well. So I haven't had a problem. I can move them closer together, or I can move them farther apart as I need them. And what it does is it creates an oven effect. So when I put the lid down, it's going to be rotating the heat in circular motion. So I have two of them. I just put one on each side, and when this is ready, I'm going to dump it into the little boats there. So simple. I know a lot of you out there have already done this, but this is for the people who don't know. So that's just going to get going, and I'll just leave that for like 20 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So at the beginning, it's going to smoke a lot. Once it stops smoking and the coals look red, you don't want them all red because then you're going to just basically burn them out. That's going to do it. Okay, this has actually been 15 minutes, and you can see the smoke is gone and it's obviously lit and hot, and I don't need to wait any longer. So I am going to dump it into my two containers that are on either side. Here you can see it's actually glowing, and that was 15 minutes. I probably could have done this like 3 minutes ago already. We always start off with these really nice marinated big pieces of bacon, and it's like our aperitif. I have some marinated chicken on the skewers as well, and we're doing corn on the cob and garlic bread. Okay, corn is looking good. That cooks really fast. That'll liberate up some space. Okay, so I also bought some sausages, which are not for tonight, but you know, when you got the barbecue going, you might as well just throw everything on. So I'm literally gonna do that. I'm gonna take this and just put it on the side, and then when it's time, I can push them over to a more heated area. But this will start getting them cooking anyway. So we already ate the bacon. This is what it looks like when it's cooked. So the barbecue is successful. Here's the chicken ready to go. That's the sausages for tomorrow. We've got garlic bread that we're going in here, and that's the corn. And you can see I've got tons and tons and tons of coals, so maybe we'll do some roasted marshmallows after. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.